Welcome, dear one, to this guided Yoga Nidra, the fertile inner garden. I recommend that you immerse yourself into this experience lying down, but if it's not possible, then sit upright or lean back into a chair. When you're ready, close down your eyes and start to feel the weight of your body meeting the surface beneath you. Let your breath soften and deepen. Inhale for a slow count of 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for a count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With each breath, imagine that you are loosening your grip on the outside world. Let your jaw soften, let your shoulders drop, and feel yourself being welcomed inward. Now bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Imagine a warm golden light there, like sunlight captured in honey. Feel it pooling in your toes, rising into your arches and ankles, up through your calves, your knees, soothing, melting, and warming everything it touches. This light carries a quiet intelligence. It knows where you have been holding weight that does not belong to you. It knows how to untangle the stories that you have been carrying for too long. Let the light travel upward into your thighs, your hips, and pelvis. Feel it touching your womb space, your creative center, not to force or to fix, but to remind you of what is already whole. The light flows into your belly, releasing any tight knots of worry, into your chest and your heart space, unhooking old protections, making space for rhythm, softness, and for breath. Let it stream over your shoulders, down your arms, and to the very tips of your fingers. Your hands relax, open, ready to receive. The golden light rises into your neck, your jaw, your face, your temples, all the way up to the crown of your head. You are held, wrapped in peace, and every cell remembers what it feels like to be nourished, rooted, and alive. In a moment, I will count down and guide you to descend into yourself, deeper into your own fertile womb space. So let's begin. 5. Sinking heavier into the surface beneath you. 4. Your breath like a slow tide. 3. thoughts drifting like petals on water. 2. A soft darkness all around. 1. Deep stillness. Before you, a staircase appears. Worn stone, cool under bare feet. You step down slowly. 1. Deeper. 2. Deeper still. 3. Your breath warm against your lips. 4. Your skin kissed by a quiet breeze. 5. Arriving at the tall wooden gate. Its surface is carved with vines, blossoms, and flowing rivers, the language of your body. You place your palm against it. The wood is warm. Something on the other side is waiting for you. Push the gate open and step inside. Breathe in the scent of rain on soil, the sweetness of blossoms just opened. Colors bloom around you, deep emerald leaves, petals in rose, gold, and ivory. The air hums with life, bees moving from flower to flower, the rustle of leaves, and bird songs weaving in the distance. Beneath your feet, the earth is soft and damp. A stream winds gently through, its water glinting in the sunlight. This, dear one, this is your inner garden, your body's sacred terrain. It has always been here, even when you could not see it. As you wander, you notice a narrow path lined with wildflowers. It curves towards a small dwelling bathed in light. Its walls are covered in climbing roses, windows open to the breeze. Wind chimes sing softly in the air. Every step you take towards it feels like coming home. At the doorway, she is waiting, your future self. Her eyes are steady, holding both tenderness and strength. Her shoulders rest easily. Her breath is unhurried. There's a glow to her skin and a fullness to her presence. She is the woman your body and your soul has been calling you toward. She takes your hand and leads you inside. The air is warm, touched with the scent of herbs and freshly baked bread. You notice shelves lined with jars, a table with flowers in a clay vase, and a soft light falling across the room. Everything here, it feels intentional, alive. She invites you to sit down. The cushion beneath you molds perfectly to your body. Her presence feels like safety. And here, without words at first, you feel her speaking to you. She shows you in images and sensations the woman you could be if you stepped fully into your rhythm, your restoration, and your sovereignty. She shows you how you have been living, the scattered energy, the quiet exhaustion, the longing. And then she shows you what is possible, a body that feels steady, cycles that feels like seasons, a mind that feels clear, and a heart that feels anchored. Let yourself feel the space between these two realities, not to judge yourself, but to witness the truth. Your future self reaches for something. She places it gently in your hands. It is a seed, smooth, warm, and pulsing faintly with life. She tells you, this is the seed of your vitality. It will grow when you choose to tend to it, to tend to yourself. The garden within you is waiting. Feel the weight of this seed in your palm. Hold it tightly in your hand and know that you are already carrying what you need inside. She embraces you firmly and lovingly, and you realize that she has always been you. You thank her. You step back into the sunlight of your garden. Notice how it feels now, brighter, more awake, more yours. Walk back to the wooden gate. Step through, closing it gently and safely behind you. Begin climbing the stone steps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin bringing your awareness back to your breath. Feel the surface beneath your body. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes to bring aliveness and consciousness back into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the image of your inner garden, your future self, and the seed that you now hold. And remember that every choice you make is water for that seed. It can grow at any time you decide to tend to it. And as you return to the rhythm of your own breath, remember that this garden, it is not a dream. It is a place within you, and it can be tended season after season. Some women, they choose to walk this path alone, and others, they choose to be guided to collapse time and to be held in a space devoted entirely to their own restoration. So if you feel the pull towards a deeper journey of feminine restoration, towards anchoring into the woman that you've met today, know that there is a private journey where I walk beside you for 12 weeks to restore your soil, clear what has overgrown, and plant what you want to bloom. I call it Wildflower, and when you're ready, you will know where to find the gate. The same gate you walk through today, and I will be there waiting for you on the other side.